The new Volvo XC40, on sale in March, doesn't overtly challenge the class norms. Volvo hasn't disrupted the segment with a V12, go-wing doors, or even a longitudinally mounted engine. It's as conventional as the rest of its ilk, but, and this is a major differentiator, the XC40 isn't boring. These little vehicles may be useful, inoffensive, and loved by customers, but to those of us who value driving dynamics they're almost all terminally dull to pilot. The first version of the XC40 to arrive this March will be the T5. Under its aluminum hood is Volvo's turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with 248 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic does the shifting and all-wheel drive is standard. A few months after the T5 arrives it will be joined by the T4, which will have a smaller turbo, 184 horsepower, and front-wheel drive. With a 248 horsepower engine, the T5 punches hard and moves the estimated 3,800-pound XC40 along briskly. The claimed, and believable, 0 to 60 mph time is 6.2 seconds. There's no word yet on fuel economy, but we'd guess that the EPA's ratings will come in at 24 miles per gallon city and 31 highway. Much of the interior design is shared with Volvo's larger crossover SUVs. The XC40 CMA platform isn't a reference to Garth Brooks's favorite award show but rather is Volvo's compact modular architecture that also will be the basis for the next S40 sedan and V40 wagon. CMA also will underpin products for Volvo's Chinese parent company, Geely, such as the new Link and C001 crossover. Its narrower width places the front seat occupants closer together than in the larger Volvos, but much of the look and the vertically oriented 9.0-inch touchscreen are shared with the XC60 and the XC90. We did notice that the seats lacked the supple padding that we've come to associate with larger and more expensive Volvos, but the R-Design model does offer optional, $100. lava orange carpeting that brings the style of a 1970s fondue party to every drive. Pricing will start at $34,195 for the 184 horsepower XC40 T4 with front-wheel drive. The more powerful T5 model opens at $36,195 for an all-wheel drive XC40 Momentum, the top of the range, and the one we drove on the launch program. The T5 AWD design starts at $38,695, loaded with options. The Volvo's price can reach past $45,000. We were charmed by the XC40, both in design and dynamics. The XC40 is way more fun than we expect from such vehicles. Here's hoping that bodes well for the fortunes of this model and the segment at large.